Hello, I'm Sherry Nichols. Welcome to Divine Sound, where we gather every Tuesday to enjoy a 10-minute sound bath that brings us home, brings us back to center, to that still point within, that place of wholeness and that place of holiness. Ralph Waldo Emerson says that trust is the place where the heart vibrates to that iron string. That is really what we're going to look to support today, is the ability to trust. And it starts within ourselves. And you know it in your heart when you're able to trust something, when you're really in alignment with it. And so today what I want to support you with is to bring you into alignment with that greatest power that is. I call it God, whatever that is for you, but that is the power that we can always trust. And that is the power that is not outside of us, it's within us, it's breathing us. And so if you want to learn how to trust more, it really is about connecting to that trust within you and relying on that when you are making decisions and moving forward. So let's go ahead and get started. And I would invite you to sit or lay down, take this 10 minutes, absolutely just for you. Turn off all your devices and set an intention to open to more trust within yourself. You will absolutely start enjoying your life a whole lot more. So start taking in some nice deep breaths, creating your intention around trust. And begin to let go of anything that feels confusing, that feels unsure, uncertain. Because if there's something that doesn't feel right, usually it's not right. And rather than stay confused about it, make the decision to let go and to trust your gut. And you can create a little mantra for yourself, something like, I trust my choices. I trust I am supported by God and that I am co-creating my life right along with Him and His wisdom. I release anything that blocks me from trusting my choices, trusting my decisions. I honor my intuition, and I know that I am empowered to make good decisions. Therefore, I trust my decisions. I trust my choices. I keep my promises to myself. I keep my promises to other people. I trust the life I'm creating. I trust the action steps I'm taking. I trust myself to speak my truth. I trust who I am. I trust my heart to give me the answers I seek. I trust I am guided by angels and miracles. Taking this beautiful foundation of trust with you into everything that you do. It has been such an honor and a pleasure to be with you today. Thank you for being here with me, sending you so much love, so much joy, and so much trust in all that you do. Bye now.